Is it time to buy or sell Robinhood stock? In this video, we will explore Robinhood in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 4th of March, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 24th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Robinhood as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.41. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of -7.43%. This equates to an average loss of -1.06% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 39.13% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 39.13% and 107.58%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 112.64%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 61.71% to 207.52% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $74.74 and $142.14. Our latest daily update for Robinhood includes the headline, High Volatility in Robinhood Stock Price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $46.22. The Robinhood stock price fell by 1.43% on the last day, Tuesday, the 4th of March, 2025, from $46.89 to $46.22. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 14.48%, with a day low at $42.14 and a day high of $48.24. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 23.53% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 8 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 60 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.76 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $66.08, while the lowest price was $13.98. Currently, the price is 30.05%, or $19.86, below the 52-week high, and 45.62%, or $38.78, below the all-time high on the 4th of August, 2021, when the price reached $85. Robinhood Markets Incorporated continues to capture attention in the financial technology sector. At the recent Citizens JMP Technology Conference, Chief Executive Officer Vlad Tenev discussed the company's strategic growth following a significant surge in 2024, largely fueled by cryptocurrency trading momentum and product expansions. This positions Robinhood well as it aims to capture a sizable share of the anticipated $84 trillion wealth transfer. Amid recent volatility, with Bitcoin experiencing fluctuations due to trade war fears, analysts suggest that stocks like Robinhood could benefit when the cryptocurrency market stabilizes and resumes its upward trajectory. Furthermore, Robinhood has been highlighted among top momentum stocks for March, indicating strong interest and potential buying pressure from investors. Additionally, with financial technology stocks gaining traction as the market shifts toward digital assets, Robinhood's inclusion in prominent exchange-traded funds like Cathie Wood's ARK FinTech Innovation ETF signals its relevance in the growth of the financial sector. This could lead to increased investor interest and capital inflows, positively affecting its stock price. In the short term, Robinhood's participation in key conferences and its mention in momentum stock lists could drive stock optimism among retail investors. Long-term prospects appear favorable if the company can effectively capture the demographic shift in wealth and continue to innovate in its offerings. This combination of strategic growth, cryptocurrency ties, and exchange-traded fund associations may collectively enhance Robinhood's stock performance moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Hood an outperform rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James designated Hood with a market perform rating and an initialize action. On Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, it was reported that Barclays rated Hood as overweight with a hold action. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Hood a neutral rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research gave Hood an outperform rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Robinhood stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book valuation is marked as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Robinhood. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Robinhood stock displays sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal is present due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance will occur at levels of $48.10 and $51.49. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 14th of February, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 29.2%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that might pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 33 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 120 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 115 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Robinhood. Robinhood finds support from accumulated volume at $45.92. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $6.10 between its high and low, which amounts to 14.48%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 11.52%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Robinhood, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 0.437. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Robinhood. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Robinhood is at $46.89. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Robinhood faces its first support level at $45.92. Should this support level remain intact, it could present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Robinhood from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of February, 2025, Malcolm Meyer conducted an insider sale of 64,951 shares of Class A common stock. On the 27th of February, 2025, Malcolm Meyer conducted an insider sale of 2,828,430 shares of a put option, which represents an obligation to buy. On the same day, Malcolm Meyer also conducted an insider purchase of 2,828,430 shares of a put option, which provides the right to sell. Additionally, on the 27th of February, 2025, Malcolm Meyer executed an insider sale of 2,828,430 shares of a call option, representing an obligation to sell. On the 25th of February, 2025, Warnick Jason conducted an insider sale of 25,000 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power appears negative, with a ratio of negative 44.109. In total, insiders purchased 5,961,564 shares and sold 15,790,593 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative assessment for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Robinhood stock a good buy? The Robinhood stock presents several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Robinhood will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have adjusted our evaluation of this stock, upgrading it from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 5th of March, we expect Robinhood to open lower by approximately 687 ten-thousandths and commence trading at $45.53. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.